This headstone belongs to Phoebe and Peter Pittman, or Pitt Luna. Phoebe Turner was born on February 3rd, 1844 in Ozark County, Missouri. She was the sixth of 7 children born to William and Phoebe Smith Turner. When Phoebe was born, her father was 49 and her mother was 39. Phoebe grew up in Ozark County, Missouri, where her father worked as a farmer and her mother worked as a housewife. According to some members of Phoebe's family, it was rumored she was either a half or full-blooded Cherokee and that she had walked on the Trail of Tears. They also said they had never found any proof of this, and many of her family members commented and they believed this also wasn't true. Peter Pittman, or Pitt Luna, was born on September 11th, 1849 in Marshall, Tennessee. He was the 8th of 16 children born to Elisha and Eliza Gray Luna. When Pitt was born, both of his parents were 30. In the 1850 census, 1-year-old Pitt was living in Meigs, Tennessee with his parents and 7 siblings. In the 1860 census, 10-year-old Pitt is living in Ozark County, Missouri with his parents and 9 siblings. Pitt's father worked as a farmer and his mother worked as a housewife. Pitt's mother would have her first child at the age of 18 and her 16th one at 46. According to Family Search, all of their children would live into adulthood, which is impressive given how high infant and child mortality rates were back in those days. On August 5th, 1869, when Pitt was 19, he married 25-year-old Phoebe Turner. They would have 7 children together, 4 boys and 3 girls. Their names were Jesse, Eliza, Martha, Elisha, Molly, Peter, and John. Jesse would pass away at around the age of 20, and I'm not sure what happened. This photo is of Phoebe and Pitt in their later years with 5 of their children. Left to right, seated, is Phoebe, Pitt, and Molly Luna Warren. In the back are Peter, Eliza Luna Hamilton, Elisha, and Martha Luna Howard. The couple continued in their parents' footsteps, living in Ozark County while Pitt worked as a farmer and Phoebe as a housewife. Phoebe died first on May 12, 1934, at the age of 90. The couple had been married for 64 years when she died. I wasn't able to find an obituary for her. Pitt followed her 8 years later at the age of 93. His death certificate stated his cause of death was cardiac insufficiency caused by senility. In other words, he died of old age. According to Pitt's obituary, he was often called Uncle Pitt, and he had passed away at the home of his son John Luna, who lived near Dora. He was also the last of his 16 siblings to pass away. His great-grandfather was in a group of 9 Luna brothers who came from Ireland more than 200 years ago and settled in Marshall County, Tennessee. His obituary stated, "The 9 brothers all came across the ocean at the same time, and at an early day there were many hardships and suffering. They moved on truck wagons and had to cut the cane one day and move the next, and this way on and on, until they finally came to some place they wanted to stop and make a home." The article also stated Pitt and Phoebe had 8 children, 5 of which were living. Since only 7 are accounted for on Family Search, they probably had a baby that they lost in infancy. After Phoebe had died, Pitt moved in with his son Peter in Gainesville, and he had moved in with his son John shortly before his death. The article also stated Pitt and Phoebe had 32 grandchildren, 96 great-grandchildren, and 9 great-great-grandchildren. Phoebe and Pitt are buried at Patrick Cemetery in Luna, Missouri. Their headstone says mother and father at the top with a plant engraved in the middle. Their epitaph reads, "Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God." Here are the before and after pictures of their stone. I took the after shot 3 months after the first cleaning. As you can see, it does still have some staining on it. I'm just going to be patient and let the D2 continue to work.